How to log out Instagram on any device remotely. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you could very easily actually log out of Instagram from any device remotely. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. After you've updated the Instagram app, now I'm going to basically go over and then simply launch it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into one of your accounts. Now I will simply go ahead and then simply go to my profile page, and on the very top right hand side of the screen, tap on those three horizontal lines icon. As we tap on the three horizontal lines, you'll be able to see a list of various options. All you have to do is go ahead and select the one which says settings. As soon as you select settings, what you have to do is you want to go ahead and then simply tap on the option which says security. As you select security, you have the option which says login activity. So select login activity, and over here you'll be able to see a list of all of the devices on which you're currently logged in. If you want to log out of any of these devices, tap on the three dots next to that particular device and then simply select the button which says log out. You might also as well want to repeat the process for all the other devices on which you might want to log out from. So select the device right over here, tap on the log out button which you see, and then you can also change your password if you want to log out of all of the devices remotely. If you want to log out of your own account, then obviously you would have to go to the three dots and then go to settings. Over here you'll find this option which says you to log out. Simply select it, and just like that you'll be able to log out remotely from any device on Instagram. Hopefully this video helped answer your question. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.